If you're sick and tired of complicated, confusing, make money online methods and you want a very, very simple process that works without needing any previous experience or a following online, you are in the right place. Now you can see on the screen right here some results. I want to share this very quickly before I dive into these steps so you can see that I do know what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see these commissions coming in like here. Now what we're going to be doing is actually selling products that have master resell rights. So this is how master resell rights works if you're unaware, because I remember when I first heard this word, I first saw this online, I was confused. I thought, is this like affiliate marketing? Like, how does it actually work? Number one is a creator, someone other than yourself, creates a product, okay? Typically it's a digital product, so a video course, a PDF, an ebook, right? And they create that product and then they will give you the ability to purchase a license to resell those products as your own. This is called master resell rights. You're getting rights to resell it. Now, the great thing about this is when you resell it, because it's a master resell rights license, you keep 100% of the money. Because if you've watched this channel at all, or maybe yourself, you've gone out there, you've done affiliate marketing. Probably, right? You've probably tried promoting a product online, and if you're brand new, that's fine. But what you will find is what I used to find: you would do the work, you would make a sale, and then you'd have to give a large percent of the money that you made back to the product creator. Okay, so you would only earn maybe 30% commission on that work. Once I discovered master resell rights and the ability to literally promote products as my own without going through the pain and the trial and error of creating your own product, I could keep 100% of the money and I could pay off bills, I could travel, I could, do nice things, whatever I wanted to do, because I kept a lot more of the money. So this is really a game changer. And then a buyer can resell it too. So if someone buys these products from you, they can also resell them as well. So now let's get into the 3 steps to actually make $500 or more with master resell rights. So step number 1 is pretty self-explanatory. You're basically going to purchase a digital product with resell rights already included. Okay, now there's a few places online that have them. Okay, it's not very common. I will actually share with you my number 1 recommended master resell rights products that give you 100% commission and are very valuable towards the end of this video, but that is the very first step. Now, once you have those master resell right products, step 2 is we're going to be posting ads on social media about that product to generate what's called a lead. Okay, now if you don't know what a lead is on social media, it's basically just someone going to a link, okay, or someone commenting on your post asking you for more information. Because I remember when I first got started online, I was researching this, I was working a job as a waiter, barely making ends meet, and I just wanted to make money easily in about 30 to 60 minutes a day. I was fed up with slaving away at this job, and I started researching, and I kept hearing people say, you got to post ads, you got to post ads. I didn't know what they meant. And what I want to do for you is explain this very simply, and I'm going to share with you some examples. What it is, it's basically just content. Okay, so this could be a picture, this could be a video, this could be text. You're basically going to post content on social media, okay, because I know a lot of people watching this, maybe you don't have a lot of extra money to invest into paid traffic or paid advertising. So this is free, okay, and you're going to post that content, and I'll give you an example. Okay, so let's say that you want to do it on TikTok. Now, I know some of you may be watching this thinking, how do I choose the best place to post advertisements? It doesn't matter, okay? Any social media site that has people is going to work because we're going to be able to post to those people. But you want to pick one that you actually enjoy, that you can stick with, okay? So let's say TikTok. All you have to do is create a profile on TikTok. If you have a smartphone, you just start recording 60-second videos, very short videos on your smartphone talking about the benefits of that product. Okay, so what does the product do? Does it help people lose weight? Does it help people make money online? You just kind of talk about the benefits. You could share a testimonial of someone that got results with that product. And then in the end of the video, you're going to basically direct people to click the link in your bio. Sometimes, like on TikTok, you need 1,000 followers to be able to do that. So Until then, if you are using TikTok, you could tell people at the end of your videos to follow you for more videos. And then once you build your following, now you can say, click the link in my bio. That's one place. Another place, if you don't want to do videos, is you could literally just post on a Facebook profile. Okay, if you don't want your friends and family to see your posts that you're trying to sell things with, you can just create a new profile. And essentially you just have a cover photo, a profile photo, and then you want to put the product that you're promoting, the link, in your bio. Okay, and then you can just post. I post videos, but text post on Facebook work just the same. You can post text with a photo, okay? And again, you can either tell people to comment or you can say, click the link in my bio. This is how you start getting people going there, okay? Now, one other thing, the last step, and I highly, highly recommend this if you want to make the most amount of money, is you want to send the leads, okay, the people, rather than right to the link that asks them to buy, okay, rather than right to like an order form, you want to send them to a funnel that will follow up with them and make sales for you on autopilot. The reason is, again, when I first got started, I started getting some leads, okay? I started watching YouTube videos, I started actually kind of understanding it, and I started posting online, and I started getting some leads, some people actually going to my link, but I was sending them right to a page to buy, and I was not making hardly any sales, and it was really bothering me, and I was frustrated. And then I heard someone say that 99% of the people are not gonna buy right away. And so what you want to understand is, and what this mentor I had told me, is they basically said the fortune is in the follow-up. So you're going to need to follow up with people. Now, rather than calling them on the phone, especially if you're like me and you're very introverted and you just don't want to bother your friends and family and have to like talk to a ton of people all day, all you have to do is send people from those posts to a link, and that link will either capture their email or it may also capture their name, and then it's going to send people through a process on autopilot while you're sleeping that will then follow up through emails, converting those people into a sale, again, while you're doing something else. Okay. Now, the cool thing is, rather than needing to be technical or knowing how to set all that up, some master resale right products, when you purchase that license, the really good ones are actually going to give you a funnel. But this is very rare, okay? But if they do give you a funnel, you want to use it, and then you want to make sure that the link in your bio when you're promoting these products go to the funnel, not just the page to buy, and you're going to notice your sales are going to dramatically increase. Now, if you're watching this and you're understanding this and you're wanting to generate results, $500 or more a day, click the link directly below, or you may see this on a page with a button. When you click that, you'll get taken to more information. You'll see my #1 recommended master resale right product that comes with a done-for-you funnel. It comes with actually multiple products that pay you up to $900 commissions instantly, and it even gives you training on other ways to promote those products, which is very rare as well. So I do want to include that. I hope you got value, my friend. If you got value, be sure you subscribe and also like this video to let me know to make more. And until next time, I will see you at the top.